Hello, beautiful people. My name remains Chukwemeka, the Unified IGBO's non-proponent. I welcome you to this wonderful new day. I want to be brief by what I am about to say on this video. I am calling on the world to come to my aid. I'm calling on Ndi IGBO. I am calling on every person, our senators from Igbo extraction, to come to my aid. I am being marked, I am being threatened by some people from some part of the country, some groups who claim to be from Benin. I don't know them. I have not had any issue with the Benin people. They are loving people. I respect them. I have done nothing to warrant the kind of threats that I'm receiving from this group, from these individuals. I don't know their sponsors. I don't know where they're getting the information from. But as a Unified IGBO's non-proponent, I am leading a campaign to unify Ndi IGBO across everywhere they might be. When I say Ndi IGBO, what do I mean? I mean people with the same culture, tradition, language, and by extension, everything ancestrally connected to Ndi IGBO. These are where I go to. These are lands that I go to, and I have never for any day coerced or forced any person to accept being Igbo. But by their common languages, by the dialect they speak, which is Igbo language, I can be able to say that you have a connection by everything that I can find out here from our research that you are an Igbo person. But why am I being under attack? Why am I being attacked by people who does not fancy the Igbo unity, who also has nothing, no affinity with Ndi IGBO? Why? You are threatening me that you are going to do to me worse things, unimaginable things, kill me and what? I am an Igbo man. The Igbo spirit in me, the king, fears you not. I bow to no one, and only God reigns supreme. Only Chukwu Okike Abiama reigns in my life. Only Chukwu, who decides my daily activities, who decides and who has been powering me in this noble campaign. Please, I am calling on every Igbo person. Come to my aid. Come to my aid. Come to my aid. Don't let me be the next Mohbad. Don't stay and watch why they eliminate all your prophets. I am calling you today to expose this insult to the Igbo nation, to expose this direct threat to Igbo nation. Thank you, and God bless you.